So I was overthinking this. You don't have to do that. Watch this. Just comes right up. Boom. AC Infinity. Hello everyone, it's me, CR. I'm back and it's another exciting week of Grow. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the AC Infinity HYDRONE 7 Environmental VPD Dehumidifier. And I'll be taking it to the shed here in just a minute, but the cat wanted to look at it. And it's kind of tall, so I'm going to have it on the table. And I thought it'd be a little bit easier just to kind of see it from the top side first. And yes, the cat loves to get in the way. Nosy. So that's the side. Here's the back. Next generation environmental control. Can't wait to put this in. Complement the humidifier that I have. And when we get inside, I'll actually talk a little bit more about what we have here. And show you everything. Let's spin it around. Classic, classic. Here's the model information. I like to give it all to you. Why not? We'll open this up real quick. Then I'll take it out to the grow shed. Put it on the table and we'll get it out and see what it looks like. I don't want to do it in here. Cat's bad enough with the cat, if you know what I mean. So, but they definitely have it all sealed up pretty good. And I'm going to have to take two hands to get this off, probably. So I'll be back. Let me get this top off. So I was overthinking this. You don't have to do that. Watch this. Just comes right up. Boom. AC Infinity. They always have great packaging. And what do you think? Do you think there's going to be a manual sitting on top? I bet there will. I bet there will. Look at that. Every time. I love the fact that they package this up and they give you the manual immediately right off the bat. Before you even open it up. Right there. So we'll take this off. We'll look at this more inside the shed. Look at some of the components we've got. And then, of course, I'll take all of this out. So, yeah, we'll get it out there. There isn't a lot to see. It all comes out two big units. That's the bottom side. We'll get her out in the shed. Finish opening her up. Show you what we got. Get it all connected up. It's going to be awesome. It's going to complement the humidifier so well. Can't wait to show you. Keep watching. Let's get this to the shed. Get the best grow equipment. They've got all kinds of equipment here. Get what you want. Scroll down. It's all here. And let's say you decide that you're going to pick one. Pick this one. We're going to add it to bag. And when we check out, guess what? You get to use my discount code. I have a discount code, Canna Reviewer. C-A-N-N-A Reviewer. Apply that and you will get 10% off of your purchase. Place your order at acinfinity.com. You're going to love it. The best grow equipment, the best customer service, the best warranties. It is the best. acinfinity.com. We're in the shed. I took everything out of the box. So here's everything in the box. This is the main unit. We've got this right here. We have a filter unit right here. Drain hose right here. Mounting. They always give you the mounting stuff. I love that. We have a Gen 2 extension cord to plug it in. And I was quite interested, but I guess it makes sense. They also gave us a precise sensor probe because obviously, in order to get VPD right, you're going to need to get a humidity and temperature probe that's very precise. They can adjust it. That's what this is for. So, and I already have one because I have my system set up right here, running good, doing its thing. So, not too worried about that. But we'll take this apart. Let's look at it. It's in a nice plastic package here. And one-handed, so, you know, it's going to be a little difficult. So let's do this. Let's grab some scissors. I like scissors. They don't like me sometimes, but I like scissors. When they work, I like scissors. There we go. It does make it a little harder one-handed. My other camera battery died, so we're just gonna do it like, you know, old school, like just one hand. Beautiful. Look at this. It's so beautiful. It's beautiful. Most definitely. Let me get the plastic off. Okay, plastic is off. Okay, plastic is off. We can look at it all the way. Get these out the way. We will come and look at this. But let's look at this first of all. Full, so that tells you when it's full. And obviously this got tape on it, so we'll open that up. This is the back side. It's got a filter for going in, intake filter. And this is probably the connection, I would imagine, is for the drainage in the water pipe. So we're gonna see just a hole. It's a little different than the than a lot of other units from the looks of this. It just slides in. Huh. Interesting. I don't know. Okay. That's interesting. We're going to be utilizing that water pipe, though. That way I don't have to worry about emptying it. So there's that. We get that apart, get that working. Oh, the top. Let's look at the top. That's where you plug in the cable. Oh, that's where you plug in the gray sensor, if need be. Probably not going to need to plug the precision sensor into that, since I have it already. So, very beautiful, very good. See the fan inside, circular cage fan. Okay, I'll come back. We'll go through this real quick, show you all that, because that's how I do it. We'll talk about it a little bit as well. Be right back. Now let's go down here and zoom in, and let's look at this is the quick start guide, and I've already pulled it out to kind of give you an idea. The warnings, always good to read all the warnings. What the content is, which I showed you: drain pipe, exhaust, intake, humidifier, all that. Installation, how you're supposed to do it, or how they would like for you to do it, is right here. Read that. Configuration setup. You're doing closed loop. You're going to use ductwork, which you have to buy. It's optional. You're going to do open loop. Let's see how that works. How we drain water. I'll pull that out of the way. And I'm going to put the hose in. Do not use reclaimed water. That's probably true. So now let's switch it over. Now we're going to do the cleaning and programming side. And I hope this helps you guys. So, I mean, I like to show you the actual manuals and everything, just because, you know, you can always pause the video. But I think it's important to show the quality. Why is this a little more pricey in some respects than, you know, what you can get on the big stores, if you know what I'm saying? Well, it's because of all the work they put into it. Also, the warranty's awesome. It's really, really good. 2 years on this. 2 years. And they're really good about warranty. Trust me. Their chat works really great. So that's the quick start guide. Zoom back out. This has been the unboxing of the HYDRONE 7 AC Infinity Dehumidifier. Keep coming back. And also check out my other channel, because the other channel shows the grow. This pretty much just focuses on equipment, not the grow part. But definitely check out the grow part too. We'll see you later. We'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to use my code. Get 10% off. Go get you some AC Infinity. If I could speak, it'd be awesome. Go get it, please. Love you guys. This is CR. See you on the next video.